Let's have a look at another example for your activity today. So you might have already looked at the questions, watched the video that was provided and thought, I still don't understand what to do, and that is absolutely fine. So let's have a look together. So 20 shared between 4. So 20 is my total. So I know that I have 20 objects and I'm sharing them between 4. So 4 groups or 4 people. So let's have a look. Here is my 20. So we know that we are starting with 20. And I'm sharing them between 4. So I'm going to share these 20 counters into 4 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4. As the video showed us, you can do 1 per group. So you can share 1 counter each per group. If you don't have counters at home, you may use rice or pasta, or maybe you have 20 other objects that you might be able to share into groups. And that is absolutely fine. So let's have a look. Now I'm going to do 2 per group just to save time. So I'm putting, to begin with, I'm sharing my 20. So I'm starting with 2 per group. So you can see that we've started with 2 in each group. Now I've not shared all of my 20 counters yet. So I need to keep going with 2 per group until I have shared all the counters to work out how many counters are going to be in each group. Now remember, we're not counting the total this time. We are purely counting how many counters are going to go into each group. And that is our answer. So let's have a look. We can see in each group we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in each group you can see that we have 5 counters. So 20 shared between 4 equals, you guessed it, it is 5. So you can see here we started with our 20 counters and I shared them between 4. So 4 groups. And we are saying how many counters are in each group. So 20 shared between 4 equals 5. And let's look at one more example. So here we have 10. So 10 is our total and we are sharing it between 2. So we need to work out how many counters are going to go into each group. So here I have my 10 counters and I'm going to be sharing them between my 2 groups. Now remember, you could do 1 per group or 2 per group. I'm going to start sharing 2 per group. So let's see how many are going to go into each group. Now I only have 2 counters left, so I'm going to put 1 in each group because I'm sharing between 2. So as you can see, I've started with my 10 counters and I've shared them between 2 groups. So how many counters are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see that each group has 5 counters. So 10 shared between 2 equals 5. And please remember to show your working out in your group as we have just done together now. Good luck.